There is a beautiful sutra which says, who can do asanas? One who is young, one who is old can do. One who is child, one who is sick can do. One who is man or a woman can do. One who is a fool, one who is a wise can do. There's a whole sloka is there. Vriddho, ati vriddho, balaha. Everybody can do the asanas. They haven't left even one category, where we would say, oh, you cannot. See, you are not there in this list. It covers up everything and everybody. So do it. But mind loves what? Tamoguna, not doing anything. कुछ ना करना पड़े. इसीलिए कहते हैं गुरुजी आप आशीर्वाद दे दो ना, सब आप ही ठीक हो जाएगा. I was talking to a family just 3 days ago. Their son is having schizophrenia and many issues. And they started, asking me that, please guide us, what can we do for him? I said, I cannot guide because he isn't going to follow anything, whatever I might say to him to do. He is not in that frame of mind to follow my instructions. But they still started pestering me. And I said, it's only a miracle can change him. Then this woman said, then do the miracle, please. Then please do the miracle. If only a miracle can cure the son, then do the miracle. But I can't do that. I can only help a healthy mind person, one who has already lost it. It's just like a blind person now cannot see. So there are certain, and it's not necessarily that person has to have schizophrenia or bipolar or something, where I would say, sometimes there is no disease in the mind, but the person has no bent for spirituality or dharma. I cannot help even that person. Egoistic, greedy, politicians, perfect example. So ignoramus and so egoistic. Can I be of any help to them? No. Would I like to help them? No. No, I don't. A doctor opened up his new clinic. Just out of the med schools, opened up his clinic. So he had the Ganesha picture in his clinic installed. So he burnt the incense and lighted up a diya and said, Ganesh ji, please send me some sick people. With your grace, let there be some epidemic in my area. Let people have hay fevers or dengues. Let people have, lung issues. Send me some people. So the doctor is praying. So because his rosy roti, his bread and butter is those sick people. But in my clinic, I already have so many. I don't have to pray people, God send me some more fools. Or God send me some more seekers. God send me some more listeners. I don't have to do that. But I can only help those who are ready for it. But the mind which is stuck in money matters, in family matters, in social matters, in their happiness, in their honeymoon periods, they don't want a guru or a gyan. They don't. But then they have also forgotten this एक दिन तुझे यहाँ से जाना पड़ेगा, कर्मों का बोझ उठाना पड़ेगा. You aren't going to live eternally in this body. You will leave it and carry the big burden of your stupid karmas, the actions which you have done. माटी के पुतले को क्या तू सजाए, मलमल के साबुन और तेल लगाए, पल भर में सब बिखर जाएगा, खाली पिंजरा पड़ा रह जाएगा, जब हंसा अकेला ही उड़ जाएगा. Ravina, I am giving answer to your question. I am giving answer to your question. Why this attachment towards the body doesn't go away? Because it is the stupidity of the intellect. And the mind and senses do not wish to see that whatever we are seeing and the body through which this life is happening is just going to die. It's going to just drop dead any moment. And death comes unannounced and it just strikes and strikes very hard. If we can focus on this one point again and again and again, like I know one time a Mahatma was combing his hair. He had long hair. So he was combing his hair and few hair strands came in his comb. So he looked at those strands and he said, once upon a time you were me and now you are you and you are worthless and here you go. And then he started combing his hair and he's looking at his hair and while combing he says, although you are here on this skull, even still you are worthless because you too will leave me one day. So once you hit your 60s and 70s, see how your field gets barren. खेत साफ होने लग जाता है. Somebody, just having a normal chit chat, and the Swamiji was sitting, and the lady said, see, mere motiyon jaise daant hai na Swamiji? Motiyon jaise daant. Swamiji कहते ज्यादा खुश ना हो, निकल जाने सारे. और जब निकल जाएंगे ना तब लेके आना, तेरे मोती देखेंगे बाजार में कितने रुपए में बिकते हैं. The pearly white teeth won't remain pearly and won't remain yours once they are out of your gums. Please take it to some jeweler and say, this is pearls. Pearly, the pearly teeth. So please put a value on it. What would be the value of those teeth? क्या कीमत? This idea, I am beautiful. This idea, I am young. This idea, I am so sundar. This is the root cause of all your problems because this was not you. This is just this. This is just the body and you are you. And you are different from this. This I am saying. It is this, not I. This has been named Lavina. This has been named Nina or whatever. But it is not you, it is this. So learn to address yourself in this way and say it. The body is young or old or nice or not. The mind is good or bad. The intellect is stupid or very smart or intelligent. Don't bring I into that. Like when you wear shoes and somebody says, oh, shoes, you're good. You don't say, I am good. Although you feel I am good because the shoes are good. That's why you want the Gucci shoes and Salvatore shoes and this shoes and that shoes. Because the shoes will make you good. Otherwise you are not good. You are hopeless. Hence you want to branded shoes and branded clothes and branded watch. But you have forgotten your own brand. What is your brand? So this body is the cage, and you are the bird who is in this cage. The prana is the governor, but when the governor will leave this cage, the cage will be useless. Now the even cage is looking nice. Why? Because inside the bird is very beautiful. So even the cage is carrying some beauty element in it. No? खाली पिंजरा पड़ा रह जाएगा, खाली पिंजरा पड़ा रह जाएगा, जब हंसा अकेला उड़ जाएगा, जब हंसा अकेला उड़ जाएगा, खाली पिंजरा पड़ा रह जाएगा, खाली पिंजरा पड़ा रह जाएगा। खाली पिंजरा पड़ा रह जाएगा, खाली पिंजरा पड़ा रह जाएगा, जब हंसा अकेला उड़ जाएगा, जब हंसा अकेला उड़ जाएगा। खाली पिंजरा पड़ा रह जाएगा, खाली पिंजरा पड़ा रह जाएगा, खाली पिंजरा पड़ा
रह जाएगा, पिंजरा पड़ा रह जाएगा,
खाली पिंजरा पड़ा रह जाएगा, खाली पिंजरा पड़ा
रह जाएगा,
जब हंसा अकेला उड़ जाएगा, जब हंसा अकेला उड़ जाएगा। छूटेगी संपत्ति खजाने की सारी, छूटेगी संपत्ति खजाने की सारी, भाई बहन और पिता पुत्र नारी, भाई बहन और पिता पुत्र नारी, संग तेरे कोई न जाएगा, संग तेरे कोई न जाएगा, जब हंसा अकेला उड़ जाएगा, जब हंसा अकेला उड़ जाएगा। खाली पिंजरा पड़ा, खाली पिंजरा पड़ा रह जाएगा, खाली पिंजरा पड़ा
रह जाएगा,
खाली पिंजरा पड़ा रह जाएगा, खाली पिंजरा
रह जाएगा,
जब हंसा अकेला उड़ जाएगा, जब हंसा